Eva Trades.
Hey there. Welcome to the new simulator series. It's called Risk Management. For whatever reason, I decided to start a new simulator series to go alongside of this real money trading to help aid me in risk management, basically. Because what I was looking at over the past few days is my performance in the simulator for the pregame, for the $10,000 challenge, for the $100,000 challenge. And I kind of noticed a couple of things. Well, one thing in particular, and that's all I'll mention, is that sometimes I would get myself into situations where I was down $400 or $500 and I would start continue trading and taking huge risk and end up being green on the day. But these are days, and there was quite a few of them that I saw where I really could have had huge red days. And lucky for me, I didn't, but I'm not willing to risk that when it comes to real money. So the morning of January 9th, yesterday, I actually did trade in the market. The video did not record. The live stream was a mess. I ended up not releasing anything. And then I did some reevaluating because it was a red day yesterday. And this is what the conclusion I've come to. I'm going to start a new simulator challenge called Risk Management because I want to really, really hone in on risk management. And I'm also going to continue trading live or trading real money, but with small size until I get the risk management part of it completely figured out. So that's my plan moving forward. So this is day one of the risk management series. So I hope you enjoy this and maybe you get some use out of it. And I hope I do too, because I really can't wait to start increasing my share size when I'm trading real money. Okay, so that's all I've got. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let me play my little intro here. It goes, let's go. And Eva Trades. Welcome to Eva Trades. Trading is risky, so make sure you trade in a simulator and protect your money and follow along for this risk management series, and maybe it'll help you too. Who knows, right? So we have two stocks on the gap scan. It is October 24th in the simulator. I'm going to go ahead and press play. And I'm actually just over an hour away till the actual market opens. So I'm going to do this simulator video and then I'm going to switch over and go live. Well, not live stream. That's a whole nother thing. That's the second thing. I found out that the live streaming, I got some weird computer issues right now. So I'm not going to live stream anything. It's all going to be pre-recorded. But anyways, here we go. So PCVX was the leading gapper today. It was gapping up about 70%, I do believe, if I can get to it over here. Yeah, 71.5%. There were three stocks on the gap scan this morning. That's what I'm missing. I couldn't see anything. All right, so we had this, what do we got? I haven't even really looked at this yet. So you had an equilibrium, well, kind of here. Equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. Up here, high, low, lower, high, a little higher low, and then we broke. Very nice breakout over these two levels. So we broke 31.51. We broke 33.80. And now I'm expecting a back test. Some increasing volume, red volume here. That candle's going to close soon. So on the 5-minute time frame, bulls looking for a higher low and a higher high, did not get it. Instead, putting in a lower low. I'm going to consider this a higher low right here compared to this last higher low because of the consolidation, the inside bar, and then we broke out. But we couldn't hold that level, so we didn't get enough of a move. So on the pullback, we're obviously gonna. It's pretty easy to break that support because we didn't move up very far. So bears now want to see continuation down. Little more room to the downside before getting a bounce going for a lower high and then another lower low. That's what bears want to see. I'm looking for a possibility of a bounce off of 33.80 or maybe 34.50. But we'll see. So note the volume here. We have some pretty high red volume. So that's always a red flag. You also have it on the 1 minute time frame. Look at that high volume on that small candle. There's some of that was bulls buying the dip, but overall the bears won. Now that could be okay. All right, so then there's MOTS, the other stock, only gapping up about 30%. Equilibrium, high, low, lower, high. Bulls want this to be a higher low. We need to see the bulls hold. It's a little choppy. You know, you have, a little chop in here, but I'm going to say $1.82. Cheaper stock. Want to hold $1.82. Technically, you could say $1.85 because we had a little higher low and higher high here. So anything above $1.85 is a higher low. Bulls would like to hold $1.95, see a break back above 2 and get up over 210 and make a run towards 223. So we'll see if we can break this equilibrium bullish. PCVX seeing follow through now for the bears. So maybe we see a move down to 34.50 and then the bears get that, or the bulls get a bounce, but then the bears take back over and see another lower low, and that's possible, especially with this high volume that we're seeing. High volume over here on MOTS too, so not looking like a good day for trading. We'll see what the market gives us with less than a minute to go till it opens. Okay, here we go. Getting ready to open now. So, I guess MOTS right now to me looks the most interesting. We have plenty of touches on that line of 206, trying to break above it multiple times there. Here we broke above it, but let's see if we can hold. There's that bounce play. Bounce opportunity off of 34.50. So 30 seconds to go. I can't trade in that first 1 minute. I would love to get in somewhere in this area on this one if this holds up, but maybe it won't. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try it on PCVX here. I'm going to take a starter position there. Oh man, my stop loss is way too far away. I'm not going to make any money on that. The candle range. Oh no, actually that's not too bad. That candle range was 83 cents on that last candle. Stop loss is actually kind of tight now that I look at it. Okay, so holding the VWAP on MOTS, so I am getting into that. I'm adding as it's moving up. And I'm selling over here on PCVX for a small profit. I'm going to sell half there on MOTS. Let's just go ahead and sell the other half right there. So I'm up $131. My target today is still $200. So I'm going to stick with that $200 target. Ooh, look at this. I'm going to buy that dip right there. Buying it twice. Looking for that move up to 210. Selling half right there. And hitting my target. 266 bucks plus 31. That's 290. That's how I want to do it. Now that's how I want to do it in the real money trading this morning too. So I'm really hoping that that'll happen. Now, if I want, I could choose to trade again. That's part of my risk management. I should actually write out the rules and post them on the website. I think that would be good. I'll go ahead and I'll add to it there. But if I give back half of my profit, now this is the tricky part. I would like to add on that pullback, but if I do, I'd be risking too much. Because right now, if I were to get stopped out, I'd lose $100, and that's about half of my profit. But if I enter in a second time, I would lose $200 if I get stopped out. And so I don't want to risk $200. Now I could just exit the trade right now and only lose 33. I exited there. I'm actually getting in over here on PCVX after seeing that move. Oh. I thought it was going to break out. I'm getting back out of PCVX and I'm in on MOTS and I'm going to sell right there. So that was risky. I was in twice over here and I think my risk there was too much. I would have given back $300 if I had gotten stopped out on all three of those orders. So I can certainly add to this, that's for sure. This is looking pretty strong. Turning red on me there. See if the bulls can hold up. I'm going to sell it. Selling it for a loss. I just don't want to hold it. So that's it. Then right there. So giving back. So now it's probably going to break out, but I just didn't want to take that chance. So that's my risk management right there. Is stopping. So I'm down below my daily goal now, but I took a chance that I could make more. And I was getting a little nervous on MOTS here. I was thinking it might drop back to the VWAP for a little bit. So I would like to trade some more, but I'm going to stop there. And this is all about risk management, right? Well, I like how we bounced off of 33.80 down here. Really hard to sit here and not push the buy button when I'm seeing stuff like this happen. And look at this. It's going a little back test here, and then you might see the breakout. There you go. Get that little back test and now breaking out. And how much you want to bet MOTS breaks 223 here. Got a high of day up here at 35.33 on PCVX. So for a day where there wasn't too much to look at, there's definitely some nice momentum here. And I didn't capitalize on it the way I could have. All right. So, anyways, yeah. So I was up at my daily goal, and I was actually a little over it, and then I decided to go ahead and try to get more, and that's fine. That's part of the rules. I can do that, but it's a risk because I risk giving back half of that profit and having to stop right there, only making $100 instead of $200 on the day. But I also I also have the opportunity to actually open things up and really have a really nice big green day. Unfortunately, today I didn't trade the way as good as I could have, and that's fine. MOTS, it was choppy taking off. It wasn't giving me the moves I wanted right away, and so I ended up taking myself out of the trade for a loss and giving back some of that. But I'm still up 274 on the day. I'm sorry, 174. So almost at the daily goal, and I'm happy with that. I'm going to take it and get ready to go trade in the live market with real money next. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.